I don't know how to do the lighter color underneath and then the darker color above. Girl, I'm not a professional. I'm just learning with you guys. I'm learning, but what I think when I use this, it actually allow me the control for make sure say my eyebrows them no look, you know, off. Cause you know I'm boxy. You know how when you use the brighter color you kind of look weird and you have like the halo. You know me a top girl. You know what I'm talking about. I don't like that. I like when it look very natural, so I use it on top and bottom. Definitely carry that concealer a little bit down so you can use it as a base for your eyeshadow, which you're not really using an eyeshadow where I give like no eyeshadow look, but you know what I'm talking about. It kind of give you like a base, something for the eyeshadow to stick to. All right, so now that eyebrows are out the way, I feel like I'm gonna switch it up a little bit because I see the girls them do this and it actually come out way flawless, like way more flawless. I'm gonna try to make it as flawless as possible. So I am going to put foundation on right now, and then I'm going to do concealer. Usually guys I don't put no foundation under my eye, but I'm gonna do foundation all over and then stop right here like it. I'm gonna do concealer and see how it comes out. I'm so nervous. Foundation on, so now we're gonna go in with concealer. My makeup artist told me to go with, because I use the elf concealer, this one. If you have a favorite concealer, let me know so I can try it, but this one I love it. I love it.
You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me?
Okay, so I do let my concealer dry down because that give you the best finish. Like and I use a fan. I got this from the YouTuber and Tamara Renee. Yeah, I love that girl. So while that's drying down, I'm going to contour. I use the Black Radiance Color Perfect foundation stick to contour. It's a number 6826 on the bottom. I don't know if that is any significance. And this is just with like the concealer that I put underneath my eye, like the excess I'm using to like come down the bridge. It's right there. That's it. I'm not, yeah, I'm not OD. I'm not gonna OD. I'm not gonna OD. I'm not gonna overdo it. The makeup artists them do it effortlessly, but me personally, my beauty blender always naga left me. Never aga left me. So this is what I use for blend out my concealer. Almost 6 minutes in. You like the video already? Do y'all see that? This just a give flawless. It's giving, this is my skin. This is how my skin usually looks. I love it. So I'm gonna blend out the concealer and definitely focusing on like leaving it in place, so not too much like dragging the sponge, but doing like dabbing motions to make sure that it don't move. You get what I'm saying? Like you see it look bright. One trick me always use guys is to use like my concealer brush and blend out the edges. Or you can use your foundation brush and blend out the edges, but me personally use my concealer brush and blend out the edges. So you see like the harsh edges, me use my concealer brush and go ahead and just blend it out, depending of course on like which color concealer you use. Like if the concealer is like your shade, then yeah, you can use that. Closer to your shade of makeup, you can use that. If it's like a bright concealer now, then girl, you know, you don't really want to use that. But yeah, so this is what we're working with for the under eye. Like, one thing, wait a give, come on, wait a give. What is it giving? So now it's time to set this concealer before it start crease upon all of them someday. So go back in with your beauty blender, you know, anything where settle, you kind of dab it out a little. And then now I'm definitely going back to my old faithful, my girl Sasha. Of course we're using one of these because yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, no, I actually have to go in with something else first before I'm gonna do the loose powder. I have to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me to set it, and then I'm gonna go back in to bake. Definitely I forgot to go back in with some contour for the nose. I know, go in with my powder, my MAC Studio Fix Plus in the shade NW50, and I'm gonna blend out the edges. I'm gonna use the same powder there and just make everything come together. I don't know, it just give you this look. Then we're gonna go in with my girl Sasha and we're gonna bake. Yes, me know I look crazy. Yes, I know I look crazy. Just chill, just wait. Hold on now. Why you so impatient? Don't bother swipe off of the video. You know you need the help. Don't bother swipe off of the video. Nobody look at me like that. While that's baking, which I'm not gonna make it bake for too long, I'm gonna go in with my glow powder, Revolution Glow Splendid Ultra Matte Bronzer medium in medium. I'm probably gonna move on to deep, but I just work with medium, and I am going to set my contour. Yeah, I always say I go back in with this because this just give it a little, I don't know, it just blend in everything so well and just eliminate the harsh lines and stuff like that. So I always go back in with this. Then now you gotta brush, use the same brush and brush away the excess powder. When you can't tell me say, like when you can't sit down there and look at me and tell me say this don't look good. When you can't sit down there and tell me that, no. For eyeshadow, literally all I did was go back in with the same bronzer that I used to set my contour. You see? Flawless, beautiful, nice. I used the Black Radiance Fine Line Liquid Eyeliner to go over my eyelid so we can prep for our lash. My camera died, so I had to start recording on my phone, but I hope the quality is similar. I'll put on my lashes. We're gonna do the blush, Juvia's Place, the orange one. You know me, you know orange blush is my favorite. I love it. And I only go in like with the powder part. Like I don't like this part, I don't do this. Me always put a little bit like in my corner of my eyelid to give it like an illusion. I don't know, it just make it look so good. When in doubt, add more blush. After going with the Fenty Beauty highlight, I have to set everything, so I go in with my Melanin, Make It Last Original, and I'm gonna spray the hell out of my face. Handy dandy fan. Last but not least is the lips. This is what I use to lock everything, the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. And this is the finished product, guys. I really love how this came out. Did you guys like it? Comment down below and rate it from 1 to 10. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Later.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do.